Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to find Maryland property records and real estate information. To get started, visit marylandpublicrecords.org, and I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice there's a very large database of or very large list of different public record databases in the state of Maryland. Now, depending on what type of research you're doing, you might find some of these helpful. For this example, we're going to be focusing on property records and real estate information. So what we did is we created specific pages for the most sought after records. So if you hover over other records, you'll notice anything from criminal records to court records to vital records. So I'm going to go ahead and select property records. And once you're here, you're going to notice you have your statewide resources that are available to you. So there are quite a few statewide databases in Maryland that you can utilize for discovering all kinds of property information. If you scroll down, we also feature the most populous counties in Maryland, and you can also do your research directly at the county level, and a lot of counties have their own databases. This is where the records originate, so they're going to be the most up-to-date, probably the most complete, and well, this is where they originate. So you can utilize both databases depending on what type of research you're doing. Another thing to consider is using the name search box on top of the page. Now, this is both a private and a public database, so it doesn't just pull records in the state of Maryland. It can pull records from multiple states. So if you type in a name, it doesn't just look at Maryland, it looks everywhere else. So if a person has lived in Florida or in North Carolina and now they're in Maryland, there could potentially be maybe some financial information, maybe some real estate information that could be of some use. Another thing that they offer is private databases, things like potentially cell phone information, previous addresses, things like that. So these can be useful even for discovering contact information, not necessarily just a mailing address, but potentially maybe an email or even a cell phone. So it just depends what type of research you're doing. It could be another great tool that you can use. So once again, marylandpublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Maryland property record search. Thank you.